Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will explain how you can add a YouTube or Vimeo video to your emails. There may be times where you find an insightful video or short guide on a particular topic that will be beneficial to share with your leads and clients. Boma allows you to link the video in an email, which will display the thumbnail as the main heading image. Let me show you how to do this. I am currently in the email editor working on a campaign that I started to create. In the right-hand panel, click on the Content tab. In here, you will see a tile called Video. You can click and drag this file into the email. If you have an empty block set up, you can place the tile in a specific block to structure the email. Once you have added the video tile, click on the Add a Video URL button and then paste the link in the right-hand panel text box. Boma will then use the thumbnail of that video URL in the email as the main heading image. Once a reader clicks on the video, they will be directed to the YouTube or Vimeo URL link. If you would like to learn more about adding a YouTube or Vimeo video to your emails, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.